Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video to show you the Mech maintenance robot. Now this little guy is quite impressive and he can do quite a few things. His main job is to actually fix mechs. So he's actually got a couple of capabilities here. And one is welding, and he can just weld different parts of the mech as required. If he wants to get a little bit higher, he's got the ability to lift himself up and just work on other parts of the mech. So that's pretty cool. He does have another feature as well, and perhaps he wants to get even taller. So he can actually balance quite well like this and get to the top parts of the mechs. So his main function is to actually repair and build mechs. Now sometimes he's not actually doing welding at all, because if we use this little spray can attachment, he can actually be a spray painting bot as well. So again, he can lift himself up and get himself right to the top and paint all sorts of different parts of the mechs. So do you all want to see how to make this little microbot robot? Well, let's do this. Okay, this mech maintenance robot is pretty easy to make. We'll start with a couple of these little ramps and some 1x2 with handle plates. So they're going to be the legs. Then we use these little arm pieces. They're kind of like spanners, and we just pop them on like that. Next we'll grab one of these 1x2 with handle, and we're just going to put a blue transparent tile on the top like that. Now we can go ahead and use these little other wrenches, and I'm going to pop one of those on the back like that. Another one on the back like this. And then we just finish that off with another one of these plates. But this time we actually point it going upwards. So now we just join these together. This one clicks on here. This one goes on there. And just for the head, we're using one of these pieces. Now I'm not sure what they're called, but I'm pretty sure they are Lego. So we'll just pop that on like that. And there we go. The Mech maintenance robot is complete. And now we can go ahead and pop in a flame here if he's turning into a welding bot. Or we could go ahead and make a spray can by just using one of these and a little gear stick lever like that. So the way that that attaches is just on like that, and then you could use that as the spray nozzle. So that is the robot complete. If you like this idea and want to see more mini mech creations, well, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and comment to get on the shout out wall. So until next time, it's bye for now.